Let's discuss homework from tutorial 25 for topic arithmetic progression. Okay, please refer to your own book on page 153. Okay, let's start from question number 3. Given an arithmetic sequence 9, 5, 1, dot, dot, dot. Okay, A, we want to find the value of A and B. Okay, as we know, A is the first term. So our first term from this sequence is 9. So A equal 9. And then D. D is the common difference. Okay, to find D, okay, we can take T2 minus T1, which equal to 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9 equal negative 4. Okay, try one more. Okay, this time let's take T3 minus T2. T3 1, T2 5. Okay, 1 minus 5 also equal to negative 4. So here we can conclude that A equal 9 and D equal negative 4. Okay, question 3b. We want to find the 11th term, which is T11. Okay, always write down the formula first. T11 equal A plus N minus 1 D. Okay, substitute A, 9 plus N. Since we want to find T11, our N is 11 minus 1, and then D is negative 4. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 40. Okay, 9 plus negative 40 equal to negative 30. Negative 31. And that is the solution for question 3. Let's continue with the next question. Okay, next question is question number 6. Question 6, given an arithmetic sequence 3, 11, and 19. Okay, A, we want to find the 8th term of the sequence. 8th term is T8. Okay, T8 equal A plus N minus 1 D. So in order for us to find the 8th term, we must know the value for A, value for N, and value for D. Okay, although the question did not ask for us to find A and D, in order to find T8, we must first find A and D lah. Okay, A is the first term, which is 3, and 8, because we want to find the 8th term, and now we want to find D. Okay, to find D, T2 minus T1. T2 is 11. 11 minus 3 equal to 8. Now we can substitute A, 3 plus our N is 8. 8 minus 1, and then substitute D, 8. Okay, 3 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by 8, 56. 56 plus 3 is 59. Okay, and then B, we want to find the sum of the first 10 term. Sum is as 10. Okay, formula for sum, n over 2 to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, since we want to find s 10, our n is equal to 10. 2a. Our a, the first term, 3. Plus, so again n, our n is 10 minus 1 multiplied by our d is 8. Okay, let's simplify. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 multiplied by 3 6 plus 10 minus 1 9. 9 multiply 8 is 72. Okay, 72 plus 6 78. 78 multiplied by 5. So we get 390. So that is the sum of the first 10 term. Proceed to the next question. Let's discuss question 8. Okay, question 8. Given an arithmetic sequence negative 20, negative 25, and negative 25, negative 30. Okay, A. We want to find the 20th term of the sequence. So we want to find T20. So again, always write down the formula first. So T20 equal A plus n minus 1 D. And then we must know the value for A, value for n, and value for D. A, the first term is negative 20, n 20 because we want to find T20, and then D. Okay, let's find D. T2 minus T1. Okay, T2 is negative 25 minus negative 20. And answer is negative 5. Okay, substitute. A, negative 20 plus 20 minus 1, and then our D is negative 5. 20 minus 1 is 19. 90 multiplied by negative 5 is negative 95. And final answer, negative 115. Okay, proceed to B. Question 8b, we want to find the sum of the first 12 term. Okay, write down the formula first. N over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, substitute. Okay, since we want to find S12, our n is 12. A, first term, negative 20. Plus, so again, n, 12 minus 1. And then D, we find earlier, negative 5. Okay, tak muat sorry. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 2 multiplied by negative 20, negative 40. Okay, plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 multiplied by negative 5 is negative 55. Negative 40 plus negative 55, we get negative 95. Negative 95 multiplied by 6. So final answer is negative 570. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay, next question is question number 12. Okay, for question 12, the first and the seventh term of an arithmetic sequence are 1 over 2 and 13 over 2 respectively. Okay, the first. So the first is T1 or equal to A, which equal to 1 over 2. And then the second information, seventh term. Okay, seventh term is T7. Okay, T7 equal 13 over 2. A, find the value of D. Okay, we want to find D. Okay, let's use both of this information that we have. Okay, starting from T7. Okay, T7 equal 13 over 2. T7 equal 13 over 2. Okay, formula for T, A plus N minus 1 D equal 13 over 2. We know that A or the first term is 1 over 2. So we can substitute 1 over 2 plus N. Since this is the seventh term, so our N is 7. Okay, D is the value that we want to find. So now we can just simplify. Okay, 7 minus 1 is 6D equal 13 over 2. And then just leave 6D here. And move 1 over 2 to the other side, it becomes minus 1 over 2. Okay, 13 over 2 minus 1 over 2, we get 6. D equals 6 divided by 6, and final answer D equal 1. And then question B. Find the 15th term of the sequence. 15th term is T15 equal A plus N minus 1 D. Okay, substitute A, the first term, 1 over 2 plus N minus 1. Okay, since we want to find T15, our N is 15. D is 1 equal 1 over 2 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 multiplied by 1 is still 14. And then 14 plus 1 over 2 we get, okay, in fraction form, 29 over 2. Okay, and the last question from tutorial 25 is question 13. The first and fifth term of an arithmetic sequence are 4 and negative 4. So first term T1 or equal to A is equal to 4. And then the fifth term, which is T5, and T5 equal to negative 4. A, we want to find the value for D. Okay, A, we want to find D. T5 equal negative 4, substitute formula for T5, A plus N minus 1D equal negative 4. A given is 4. And because this is T5, our N is 5 minus 1. Okay, D is the value that we want to find. Sorry. Okay, 4 plus 5 minus 1 is 4D equal negative 4. Okay, leave 4D. Bring 4 to the other side, negative 4 minus 4. So negative 4 minus 4, we get negative 8. To find D, negative 8 divided by 4. So D equal negative 2. Okay, and then B. Find the 11th term of the sequence. Okay, for B, we want to find T11. A plus n minus 1D. Okay, remember to always write down the formula. A is 4 plus our n is 11 minus 1 and our D is negative 2. So 4 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 multiplied by negative 2, negative 20. 4 plus negative 20 is negative 16. So that is all the question from tutorial 25. Okay, now let's continue with tutorial 26. Question from tutorial 26 from topic geometric progression. Okay, starting from question number 2. Question number 2, given the geometric sequence 2, 3, 9 over 2, 27 over 4. Then question A, find the common ratio. Okay, we want to find the common ratio R. Common ratio R equal, let's do T2 divided by T1. Okay, T2 divided by T1 is 3 over 2. And then let's try T3 divided by T2. T3 divided by T2. Our T3 is 9 over 2 divided by T2 is 3. Okay, we can use calculator. 9 over 2 divided by 3. And we still get 3 over 2. Okay, so that is our common ratio. 3 over 2. B, we want to find the sum of the first 10 term of the sequence S10. Okay, there are two formulas to calculate sum for geometric progression depending on the value of R. If R more than 1, okay, in this case, in this question, our R is 3 over 2 or equal to 1.5. Okay, when R more than 1, our formula is R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, this is when R more than 1. Okay, let's substitute. Our A is 2, the first term. R 3 over 2 or 1.5. Okay, 3 over 2 power n power 10 minus 1 over 3 over 2 minus 1. Okay, to calculate 3 over 2 power 10, it's best if you put 3 over 2 in a bracket. Okay, 3 over 2 power 10 is 57.66503906. Okay, minus 1. You get 56.66503906. Okay, kita terus kira multiply by 2 and then divide by 3 over 2 minus 1. And the answer is 226.66. Okay, next is question 6. Okay, for this one, you can straight away use your calculator. First, calculate 3 over 2. Okay, let's try once again. Calculate 3 over 2 power 10. You should get 57.66503906 and then minus 1. Okay, we get 56.66503906 multiplied by 2. We get 113.33000781, and then divide by, okay, divide, put in bracket 3 over 2 minus 1. And then we get 226.660156. Okay, we just take 2 decimal places. Okay, proceed to the next question, number 6. Given the geometric sequence -3, -9, -27. Okay, A, we want to find the value of A and R. A, as we know, is the first term, so A equal -3. And then to find R, let's start from T2 divided by T1. T2 is -9 divided by -3 equal 3. And then try one more. We take T3 divided by T2. -27 divided by -9 also equal to 3. So A equal -3 and R equal 3. Okay, B, find the sum of the first 9 terms. Okay, sum of the first 9 terms. And since our R is 3, also more than 1, we will use the same formula as from question 2. A, R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, this one is for R more than 1. Substitute, our A is -3. Our R is 3. So our n, since we want to find sum of the first 9 terms, so 3 power 9. 3 power 9 minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Okay, -3. 3 power 9 is 19683. 19683. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 19683 minus 1 equal 19682. 19682 multiplied by -3. We get -59046. -59046 divided by 2. Final answer, -29523. Okay, still the same tutorial. Okay, this time we want to discuss question 9. Given the geometric sequence -1 over 4, -1 over 8, -1 over 16. Okay, A, we want to find the 7th term of the sequence. Okay, 7th term is T7. Formula A R power n minus 1. Okay, A, we know our A is -1 over 4. So since we want to use R here, let's find R. Okay, R T2 divided by T1. Our T2 is -1 over 8 divided by T1 -1 over 4. Okay, use calculator. It's best if you can put all the fraction in bracket, okay, to avoid mistakes. And if you calculate correctly, you should get R equal 1 over 2. Okay, our R is 1 over 2. Our N is 7 minus 1. Okay, 7 minus 1 is 6. So calculate 1 over 2 power 6. Okay, put 1 over 2 in bracket. Power 6, you should get 1 over 64. And then multiply by -1 over 4. And final answer is -1 over 2, 5, 6. 9b, we want to find the sum of the first 10 term of the sequence. Okay, sum of the first 10 term as 10. Okay, r is 1 over 2, which is less than 1. So the formula that we will use is 1 minus r power n over 1 minus r. Okay, this formula is for when r less than 1. Okay, 1 over 2 is less than 1. Substitute a, negative 1 over 4. Then 1 minus our r is 1 over 2. Power n power 10. Okay, over 1 minus r, so 1 minus 1 over 2. Okay, let's calculate 1 over 2 power 10. Okay, put 1 over 2 in bracket, power 10, we get 1 over 1024. Okay, 1 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. Okay, solve. And if you calculate correctly, for 9b, you should get negative 1023 over 2048. Okay, first calculate 1 minus 1 over 1024, multiply by negative 1 over 4, and then divide by 1 over 2. So this is the final answer. Okay, tutorial 26. Next, we want to discuss question 12. In a geometric sequence, the common ratio and the fifth term are 1 over 3 and 1 over 162. Okay, the common ratio are equal 1 over 3. And then the fifth term is T5. Okay, T5 equal 1 over 162. Find the first term A. Okay, we want to find the first term A. Let's use T5 equal 1 over 162. Okay, formula for T5, A r power n minus 1 equal 1 over 162. A is the value that we want to find. R given 1 over 3 power n minus 1. 4 minus 1. Sorry, not 4, 5. Okay, because this is T5. Okay, use calculator. Calculate 1 over 3 power 4. We get 1 over 81 equal 1 over 162. So to find A, 1 over 162 divide by 1 over 81, and A is equal to 1 over 2. B. For question B, 12b, we want to find the sum of the first 8 term. Sum of the first 8 term is as 8 equal. Okay, our R is 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3 is 0.33 something. Therefore, the formula that we will use is A 1 minus R power n over 1 minus R, because our R is less than 1. Okay, substitute A 1 over 2. 1 minus our R is 1 over 3 power 8 over 1 minus 1 over 3. Okay, calculate 1 over 3 power 8. Put 1 over 3 in bracket. Power 8 is 1 over 6561. over 1 minus 1 over 3 is 4 over 3. Okay, solve. Sorry, not 4 over 3, 2 over 3. Okay. 1 minus 1 over 6561 is 6560. 6560 over 6561. Okay, multiply by 1 over 2. We get 3280 over 6561. 3280 over 6561, and then divide by 2 over 3. And then we get 1640 over 2187. And then the last question that we will discuss from tutorial 26 is question 14. In a geometric sequence, the common ratio and the second terms are 2 and 30. Common ratio. So common ratio is R. R equal to second term. The second term is T2. Okay, T2 equal 30. Find the value of A. Okay, the steps are very similar to the previous question that we discussed. Let's use T2 equal 30. Okay, formula for T2, A R power n minus 1 equal 30. A is the value that we want to find. R 2, n minus 1. Our n is 2. Okay, 2 minus 1 equal 30. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 power 1 is still 2. Okay, bring 2 to the other side, divide by 2, and we get A equal 15. B. For question B, we want to find the sum of the first 8th term as 8. And because our R is more than 1, the formula that we will use is R power n minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, this one is for R more than 1. Substitute A, 15. Our R is 2 power 8 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Okay, calculate 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is 256. 256 minus 1, 255. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we don't have to write that down. 255 multiplied by 15. Final answer 3825. So that is all the question that we will discuss for topic geometric progression and also arithmetic progression.